Oh, holy. My laser welder has been sitting on a borrowed tool cart for 3 months. On paper, fixing that looks simple. If I fail to fabricate this in 1 hour, I must walk barefoot on lathe swarf. The steel that's on the shelf, a few basic tools, grinder, welder, square, marker, and drill. Nothing fancy, no CNC, no CAD. And it's getting a lick of paint at the end. Quick sketch, 2 shelves, 4 wheels, and a welded frame. On paper, this looks simple. I'm actually dreading this challenge right now. Oh man. So time is on. The 60 minutes starts now. This can't be that hard. Not super pretty, but it will do. Where to go? Smart about how I use this. Dice this guy off. It's supposed to look something like that. Oh, just looking at that timer going down. Chop this guy off. $660. I might just tack these all together straight over to the welder. I'm gonna make up time with this laser welder. Woohoo! That's the great thing about this welder, it just doesn't put much heat into it. Square it up. Oh. Just a manual pulse. Square, check. That should have a little bit of strength to it now. Good thing I didn't like clean up any of the welds or anything because I'm gonna need all of this time. Put the clock away. I need to make another one of these. 100 there. Just get it squared up. I'm actually having so much fun here. I cut this one on the piss pretty hard. Nice. Just flip it. Tack it. Okay, moving on. So I've got these done. I need to get them onto the sides. I don't think I have enough stock. Not making things easy for myself. What? Did not cut some of those very square. Now I need my magnet friends. Okay, we are at like 25-minute mark now. Probably gonna fall over and knock me on the head. Just put it on top of that. We have a structure. Things are going well. 20 minutes remaining. Big gap here. Just pulsing it. It's not pretty, but it will hold. Those will come in handy later. Just gonna have to do laying down a bead like that. Quick validation that that fits. It'll look something like that. So my gas ball is going to sit on there, the welds are going to sit on here. And just need to screw on the casters, run around with the welder, finish welding it up. Some strength to it. Fitment is cracked there. Literally 4 minutes left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If I had my fitment right, this would be a breeze. This is not looking good. Let's kill that. I gave it my best shot. I feel like I got a good 90% of the way there. Okay, I gotta finish it off. Very happy with that. Now that that's together, I'm going to hit it with some paint. Oh, that was a catch. Holy. Let's get that secure. I may not have completed the challenge in time, but I'm quite happy with the outcome. Only a little bit over an hour, a much nicer trolley setup. Alright, since I didn't make it in time, it's time for me to walk on the Swarf. Oh, I might get a first aid kit. This is steel and aluminium. I'm pretty sure it's embedded. Gonna need some tweezers. That'll teach me not to fail another challenge. Well, at least I got a pretty sick welding cart out of it. Off to the first aid kit.